Hi, I'm Zoe and I'm doing the experimental glazing course at Central St Martin's. On the course so far, we've learned a lot about the composition of glazes, how to produce your own glazes, how to control the environment that they've been in, and how to apply those to your own personal practice, either in ceramics or in other glaze materials. Three massive things I've taken away from the course are: one, glazing is infinite and you can do so much with the variety of materials that are at hand to you, both at the college and outside at your own home. The second thing is colors are also infinite, and so the number of colors and finishes that you can produce is so vast that it just boggles the mind. And the last thing that I've learned is drips are good, so use those glazes to drip. Students who are looking to do the same course, I would advise to have an idea of the finished objects or surfaces that you want to work with. It will allow you to use the course really to benefit your practice beyond the week of the short course that you're doing. The fellow students on the course are all from different walks of life and different age ranges, which brings real great diversity to the class, and it means that you can learn from each other's practices and also hear about each other's experiences, which is fantastic. My future aspirations after this course are to continue my own personal research in surface design, informed by all of the glazing and ceramic techniques that I've learned at Central St Martin's during this brilliant week. My personal work involves a lot around large format, coloured spatial design, and as such, the glazing that I've done this week at Central St Martin's is going to be really helpful to think about how I can translate that into bigger projects over the course of the year. The work that I have in my lap right now is a little test that we did this week. It looks at 3 different chemical materials: iron oxide, chromium, and tin, and the interactions between the 3 of them, which has blown my mind because I haven't done GCSE science for a very long time, and it turns out you get pink and green. The course has been a brilliant way to distill a lot of information into a very short period of time, and it's enabled me to go back to both my personal practice and my academic practice and sort of play around in the studio with different glazes with a little bit more confidence than I had before, without blowing anything up.